After a bill of lading or invoice has been printed from the schedule, a posting record is created, along with the trucks and crewmen scheduled for that job. These records can be accessed by clicking the Accounts tab from the main screen and clicking Posting. The screen that comes up will show you the jobs that are currently unposted. To access a job, you may either enter the invoice number from the top of your invoice into the box in the upper right-hand corner, or use your search fields above the data. Click Search and then click on one of the results. On the posting screen, there are 5 key areas. In the Move Day section, you can interact with a single day or the entire job, and you can mark their data as ready to lock, canceled, or specify the duration of the job and total cost of the job. The Services Breakdown section allows you to distribute the money collected among the services that were provided. These services are pre-filled based off the configuration set up in the Admin section. For each service, you may enable tax, specify a percentage of the total dollar amount, or an exact dollar amount. The money reported must equal the total dollar amount recorded and must equal the final price of the job before you will be able to post the data. If the numbers do not match up, the balance will show in red under the final price. If the numbers show up in red and are in parentheses, then you are over by the amount. If a service that was used on the job is not listed, you can click the Quick Add button and select a service pre-configured in Admin, or simply type it in and hit Add. The Payment section is where you can record any payments collected for the job, be it cash, check, credit card, or the balance to be put on the account. First, select the type of payment and the date. Enter in the amount being applied to the final move price and enter in the tip amount, if any, into the field. Fill in the other fields as needed by your company. Click the Add button to add the payment, or the New button to clear all. If the payment information was previously recorded on the job confirmation screen, click the Use on Record button. To look up a move account that associates payments, click Account Lookup and search for the correct account to track the balance. Make sure the total balance due is 0 before marking the job as posted. If the customer still owes you money, then putting it on the account is required to zero the amount. Next is the Resource Summary and Payroll section. If you assign trucks and men on the schedule before printing your invoices, those resources will be pre-populated. Here you can specify how many hours of the job that mover worked, along with any commission, bonus, or tips that they have earned. To add additional crewmen or trucks, you may either enter in the corresponding ID and click Add, or click Help to see a list of all resources that were available during that job. If you do not see your intended resource marker, be sure that their hire dates and availability status in HR made them available to work that day. On a multi-day job, the drop-down menu will allow you to select specific days to assign trucks and manpower, along with specifying the hours the person worked. You may then look at the summary from this drop-down menu and record your payroll information. The final section in posting is the notes. This area may be used for anything that needs recorded outside the fields provided. When the data on this screen has been completed and a day is ready to be posted or locked, click the checkbox to the left of the day. If the entire job is completed and ready to be posted, click the checkbox to the left of the Move Final. Next, hit Save and the corresponding payroll information will be created or updated and the job will be marked completed and locked. Some additional features on this screen that can be utilized are using the Tab or Enter key to help you quickly navigate the fields with less use of the mouse. By clicking the word invoice at the top of your screen, you can see a history of invoices that were printed and the corresponding invoice numbers. Specifying the commission percentage or hourly rate of an employee in HR helps the system automatically fill in the data in the resource section. The crew size dropdown is used for move averages and can be lowered below the number of people on the job in instances where one person was not on the job the entire time. Tips entered into the payment section are automatically split between the movers in proportion to the hours they worked on the job and may be manually adjusted. Using the posting interface is essential for the system to be able to evaluate key business metrics, such as a salesperson's efficiency, growth of the company, and much more. It is highly recommended that posting becomes a daily process within your company.